My story matters because it has the power to teach, to heal, to give hope, and to change lives.
I share my story in order to provide information, inspiration, and hope to those touched by cancer.
Our story matters because all kids matter, including those with Down syndrome.
My story matters because incredible things happen when we understand each other.
My story matters because having autism doesn't mean you can't live a full life.
My story matters because we should all advocate for those who can't advocate for themselves.
Growing up with a nonverbal autistic brother taught me to speak up for those who aren't able to speak for themselves.
Research gives me hope. It is my light at the end of the tunnel, and I will use my voice and our story to drive us there.
I want to show the strength that exists in struggle and be a positive, genuine, and supportive voice for those around me.
My story matters because not everyone has words, but everybody has a voice, and that voice deserves to be heard.
I share my story because rock bottom is where I found hope, healing, and my purpose to use my education through my story.
I share my story and give others a platform to share theirs, to give voice to the voiceless and visibility to the invisible.
I don't want others to have to go through the long years of pain and suffering I had to endure. We all have the capacity to overcome adversity.
My story matters to me because I want people to have the opportunities that I know that they can get.
I share my health story because I'm exactly like everyone else.
Our stories matter
because humor breaks down barriers.
I share my story because more needs to be done to help the millions affected by myalgic encephalomyelitis around the world.
I realized that what started as something therapeutic for myself actually helped others and made a difference.
By sharing my story, I amplify the community of needed voices to tell their own stories, despite the isolation of illness.
We need you to be aware and need you to know we are there for you and your families.
My story matters because I'm here to give the patients back their power and support fibromyalgia.
My story matters.
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 My story matters because everyone's story matters.